Good morning, children. Today we will study about muscular tissue. As we come to know from the name muscle, that tissue which is related to your muscle is known as muscular tissue, which are responsible to form the muscle are known as muscular tissue. Then what is muscular tissue? Muscular tissue is the soft tissue which compose muscles of human body. Those tissue which are responsible for composition, for making the muscles, are known as muscular tissue. The tissue which forms, which compose, which are responsible for composition of muscles are known as muscular tissue. And what is the function of muscular tissue? Muscular tissue helps in contraction. Means you are stretching, you are moving, you are walking. These all activity of movement are happening due to muscular tissue. If there would not be muscle, there would not be muscular tissue, then you will not be capable to involve in movement of your body. Means stretching, walking, laughing, means so many activities which are related to the movement will not be happen in lack of muscular tissue. So all the activities, talking, walking, laughing, any movement, if happening in your body, then for those activities of movement, muscular tissues are responsible. And what are the types of muscular tissue? There are three types of muscular tissue: cardiac, smooth and skeleton. Then what is cardiac tissue? Cardiac tissues are those tissues which are found in cardiac muscle. Means the muscles which are in your heart. Cardiac means heart. Then those muscles which are found in your heart are known as cardiac muscle, and in your heart those muscles are composed with the help of muscular tissue. Then cardiac tissues are those tissue which are found in your heart. Smooth tissue are those tissue which are situated or which forms the soft internal organ, the smooth internal organ of your body. And the most smooth internal organ in your body are blood vessels. Blood vessel, the example of smooth tissue is your blood vessel. Blood vessel means the vessels through which your blood is running. There is a channel from top to bottom in your body through which your blood is running. Then those blood vessels in which your blood is running are composed of muscular tissue, and those vessels, tissue, smooth tissue are known as smooth muscular tissue. After that, skeletal tissue, the tissue which form the skeleton. Skeleton means bony structure of your body. Then there are so many bony structure from top to bottom in your body. What is skeletal? Skeletal is the bony framework of your body, and those muscles which are responsible for forming the skeleton of your body are known as skeletal muscles. Then skeletal muscles are those muscles which form the framework, bony structure of your body. Now, what is the function of muscular tissue? It helps in movement, as I told you, and maintains the posture and position of the body. Your muscle also helps to maintain the posture and position of your body. If it will not be in proper order, your muscle will not be in proper order, then what will happen? Your position as well as your posture will be in zigzag manner. It will not be in order, it will not be in proper manner. So this tissue, muscular tissue, helps in movement and it also helps to maintain the posture and position of each and every organ. Now, what are the characteristics? The characteristics is excitability. If you are going to be excited, that feeling of excitement is felt through the muscular tissue. Contractility. If there is movement that is happening with the help of muscular tissue. Extensibility. If you are stretching your body or stretching your any organ, then that stretchability or extensibility is happening through the muscular tissue. And elasticity. There is elasticity, and that elasticity in your organ is maintained with the help of muscular tissue. It was the topic for today, my dear children, and next day we will study next tissue. I will give you some question on my topic which you will do in your copy. Thank you.